I'm so glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniquities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true uniquity. Today we're going to take something old and turn it into something new. So let's jump into today's super magical project. For Christmas, my brother-in-law, Pat, he received this amazing gift that I'm sporting on my head. And it is not only beautiful, but it is also hiding my really bad hair day. So I hope you like it. But you know, sometimes guys are hard to buy for. So I think most guys, you know, don't have this. So if you need something to get a guy, I mean, what says thoughtful and manly like a rainbow unicorn headband? So anyway, when I saw that he received it, I stole it. So thank you, Pat. But we'll dedicate this video to you. I'm sure you're excited. Wishing you a very magical 2021. So today we are keeping with this theme, rainbow and unicorn, and I just recently uploaded a video showing you how to make some really cute rainbow and unicorn cupcake toppers out of fondant. So make sure you check out that down below. Another video I recently uploaded was right before Christmas. I showed you how to make this cute little cupcake stand with Dollar Tree items, and I bought some beads from Amazon, and I've got that linked down below as well. But today we're going to take those two videos and collide them together and make a magical cupcake stand for our rainbow and unicorn cupcakes out of this cupcake stand. Now this is very nice the way that it is. It's just kind of basic, just kind of white, but we are going to rainbow unicornify it up. So let's get started on that. If you choose not to do the entire stand, you can just pick up at the Dollar Tree one of the pizza pans and spray paint it any color that you want. I do recommend spray painting rather than brushing on. You'll just get a nicer finish on it. At Target, I found this cute, and this was in the bullseye section where they have at the front of the store. He was $3. Now, I was a little, he's super cute, you know, super cute. But I was disappointed that he's melon color. He's like peach, and no offense, but it's just not a good color for a unicorn. Like, I think of bright, fun colors or really nice, pretty, deep pastel-y colors, but not peach. I mean, whatever, Target. Usually you're on mark, but on mark, get it? Anyway, no, not really. Anyway, but I picked him up. We're going to make him a bit more dreamy. So the other item that you will need, besides glitter and adhesive and paintbrushes, are some glass beads. And you can use, I guess you don't have to use glass ones, but I went to, aren't they pretty? I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up 5 colors, and they have a beautiful display of amazing colored beads at Hobby Lobby. And fortunately, the day that I bought these, they did have them half off. So I scored there, but you really won't be using that many. But just pick the colors that go along with the color of your, you know, your party, and that will be good. And if you choose peach, you know, that's okay. I mean, we're an equal opportunity rainbow color YouTube channel here. So whatever color, no offense if you love the color peach, but not my favorite. So, but don't hate me. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in, gonna show you what we're gonna do, how to turn little unicorn into something sparkly and adorable. First, using some painter's tape, just cover up the mane and the tail and the horn. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then I used some sprayable adhesive, and I applied it to my little unicorn, and then I added some fine white glitter. A quick tip, if you're going to use something other than pink, most likely you will want to do the mane and the tail first. Here I'm just showing how I save all my glitter, and I love using just printing paper to do that. While my unicorn dries, I just add the beads to a bowl, and I used about 1/3 of each of the little containers, and I had very little left over, so that is perfect for a pizza pan sized tray, I would say. Find a large box or a very large bowl that's deep enough that you can use to catch all your little beads. I put some Loctite glue around the edge, and then I just used my little glass beads and I sprinkled them in sections around the edge. I did find after it was all dry, I went back over it one more time and added another layer to certain sections to give it a little more dimension rather than having all of the glass beads being just flat. And I think it looked so much better. I really loved how the little beads looked just like cupcake sprinkles. So cute. Using Mod Podge, and do this generously, use a little disposable brush and coat the areas that you want to adhere glitter to. And I did this in sections just to kind of control the color of the pink. Otherwise it goes everywhere. I used some gold paint, which I will link down below, and painted the unicorn horn gold, which I loved. I thought it turned out great. So here's the finished product. I love the transformation, the colors, so awesome. I would love to have you back on the next video. Please hit subscribe, and if you liked today's video, give me a thumbs up. Have a sweet and magical day. We will see you on the next video. Goodbye.